Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club sneak peek. This is one of their brand new products. It says that it's going to be releasing today, but it is a pop-up card. And I believe they have all the Harry Potter houses listed. It comes with an envelope, but look how cute it is! It says, "May your day be as joyful as you." So that is diamond painted, so is the middle. It says Hufflepuff. And the pop-up card part is popped up here. These are super duper cute. It does have the tag thing here, like it might be available in stores eventually. So we will see. So the back of the box says what it includes, basic diamond painting instructions. Now I have not seen one of these opened yet, so I do not know what we're going to be getting into. Let me just zoom out a wee bit here. Okay, so comes with this. I'm just going to dump it all out here. Maybe. There we go. Okay, that's everything. So we have our toolkit here. See if it comes with anything special. Looks like it's going to be just a toolkit that we're used to. Maybe if I can get it out of the bag here. Here we go. So we have our baggies for extra drills, which comes in handy with these smaller projects, especially because you don't need to kit them up with a big, storage thing. We have our twisty pin here with a putty preloaded. Our stackable diamond painting tray here with the lid. There's our refilled putty option, or if you don't like putty, you have wax, multi-placer, single placer. And we have our drills here, which we'll go through in just a second. Our thank you card, thank you for your purchase. Has the instructions, a QR code to their Facebook group. Save 20% off your first purchase, or I'll have my link in the description below for first-time buyers. So the envelope is really thick, y'all, and it has this fancy bag that you just tuck it in. This looks like an invitation to Hogwarts. No. Okay, so just pulled that out there. It's nothing else. Okay, so there's the envelope. Okay, so it's flat. It says dedication, patience, loyalty, Hufflepuff. All right, let's open her up. Oh my gosh. Look at this. May your day be as joyful as you, Hufflepuff. So how would we diamond paint this, y'all? Okay, so we can lay it flat like this. There we go. And then you can diamond paint that way. This does not come off. Okay. So yes, you would have to lay it flat like this to diamond paint, and this should have its own plastic. Yep, peels off. There's your adhesive. And then same thing here. You can lay it flat. Then it closes back up. There we go. This goes behind the Hufflepuff. Okay, there we go. This comes out. This is so cute. I love it. That is awesome. I don't know if they still have that test online somewhere where you can figure out what house you should be in. I don't think I ever did it. But I feel like I would be a Hufflepuff. It just screams Crashly to me. I don't know, maybe a Slytherin. What house are you? If you have taken the quiz, I want to know. Let's take a quick look at the drills. Okay, so we have, looks like, yes, 6 colors. And they're in a weird order. Okay, so we have this this 4 color, and this, ooh, it's a crystal. Look at that. All right, yellow. This looks like a fairy dust yellow, and a fairy dust white, a gray, and then a black. Or is this other one fairy dust too, and I missed it? No, this one looks like it's just a gray. Okay, so yeah. And of course it doesn't have a legend or a key because you just match the numbers on the packages with the numbers. Here, easy peasy. These are super cute. They would make a nice quick project, perfect gift, especially if you have kids and stuff, that want to diamond paint with you and everything. So yeah, once you're done, you could seal it or whatever and put it right back in the super, look how thick this envelope is, y'all. This is very nice. And then it goes right in the slot here. Like so. See? Okay. So yeah, go get them today. I believe they're releasing, I don't know what time, but join their Facebook VIP group. and it will have more details and everything, and you can get one of each house if you'd like. They're super cute and fun, brand new. Check them out. If you had never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, check out my link in the description to get a discount, and I get a small kickback too. And if you're brand new here, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Until next time, everyone, bye!